This video will show you how to replace the air filter on a Mazda 3. This will be located along the driver's side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your air filter housing. We're going to dislodge the upper housing from the lower housing. Looking along the front, you're going to find that you have two metal clips to dislodge. Take hold of the tab and pull it out of place. Process for one is the same for the other. Now we're going to take hold of the upper housing. We're going to lift up along the front, but we'll have to pull the rear forward to slide it out of place. Now we can lift this up high enough that we can remove the air filter. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of a brand new air filter, you need to clean and inspect inside of the lower housing, confirming there's no miscellaneous debris. Once you've done that, it's time for installation of the brand new air filter. We'll have it so the filtering element is facing down. Just go ahead and slide that into place. It should rest in there fairly easily. Now that we have that in there, we're going to bring this down. We'll have to come in at an angle, bringing the rear in first. Once that's slid in, we'll roll the forward aspect in as well. Now, once we have that fully rested in place, we're going to continue on with our two locking clips. Double check to ensure your air filter housing's properly secured. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our air filter. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.